Good day to all lovers of Bharat, learners, students, and aspirants. Om Namah Shivaya Jaya SEETHARAMJAYAM Jaya SREE Bharat Vande Mataram Jaya HIND. I am SARATH C, proud Air India Simulation Airlines flight pilot and Indian Railway Simulation Loco pilot, speaking from my homeland in Pulippara, Vayanashala, Pangodu, Kallara, Nedumangad, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, Bharat, South India, South Asia. Welcome to the one and only SARATH C Aviation and Railway Knowledge YouTube channel, where knowledge meets inspiration and learning transforms into joyful entertainment. In today's special episode, we are launching a complete documentary-style online class on general science for aspirants preparing for SSC, Staff Selection Commission, and RRB, Railway Recruitment Board, job exams. This is not just a class, but a long-time educational companion, blending academic support, career orientation, and national pride. Through this free SSC and RRB General Science course, we deliver high-quality academic content in a way that is simple, memorable, and richly engaging, designed for school students, college aspirants, competitive learners, and anyone preparing for India's most respected government jobs. Purpose of this online class: SSC and RRB exams form the gateway to Indian government employment, especially in prestigious departments like railways, postal, income tax, defense, and secretariat services. Every year, lakhs of aspirants appear in these exams, where general science is a vital high-scoring section. But many students from rural and non-science backgrounds struggle to understand the concepts due to a lack of proper teaching, language clarity, or fear of science itself. This course solves that issue permanently. This class is a free learning project initiated through this channel with a mission of knowledge for all, Bharat first. We explain general science in English-Malayalam blend, using examples from real life, Indian railways, aircraft technology, and Bharatiya cultural symbols to make each subject part of your heart. SSC and RRB General Science Syllabus Breakdown. The General Science Syllabus for SSC and RRB exams can be classified into three core areas. 1. Physics, the world of machines, energy, light, and motion. 2. Chemistry, the science of matter, reactions, and everyday substances. 3. Biology, the study of life, the body, diseases, and ecology. Let's explore these subjects in a fully guided documentary learning. Physics, the laws of nature, energy, and technology. Physics helps us understand how motion works, how engines pull trains, how planes fly, how electricity powers our homes, and how light and sound behave. This section includes motion and force, Newton's laws of motion, speed, velocity, friction, applications in trains, aircraft, and road systems. Work, power and energy, definitions, formulas, unit conversions, kinetic and potential energy, heat engines in locomotives. Heat and temperature, modes of heat transfer, conduction, convection, radiation, thermometers, boiling and freezing points. Light and optics, reflection, refraction, lenses, human eye, and the mirror mechanism used in railway signals and pilot headgear. Sound, wave nature, echo, sonar, how sound travels through air and metals, used in bogie defect detection in Indian railways. Electricity and magnetism, current, voltage, resistance, Ohm's law, electric motors, generators, transformers, magnetic field applications. We link these topics to railway traction systems, aircraft power sources, and household uses for deep understanding. Chemistry, the science of substances, reactions, and our environment. Chemistry is everywhere, from railway fuel combustion to the air purification systems in aircraft. Topics include matter and its states, solid, liquid, gas, plasma, properties of matter, changes of state, dry ice in train catering and aircraft cabins. Atomic structure, elements, compounds, atomic number, electron configuration, how metals are selected for engine parts. Chemical reactions, types of reactions, combination, displacement, neutralization, everyday observations like rusting, burning, gas formation. Acids, bases and salts, pH scale, examples from batteries, cleaning agents, antacids. Metals and non-metals, physical and chemical properties, corrosion, alloys used in railway tracks and aircraft fuselages. Carbon compounds, fuels, alcohol, soaps, plastics, sustainable chemistry. Everyday chemistry, fertilizer, paints, preservatives, medicines used in public transport, hygiene and food systems. This content is supported with voiceover, railway depot visuals, aircraft hangar examples, and field-tested memory methods. Biology, the study of life, body, and health. Biology covers the natural systems that keep us alive and healthy. It is the most relatable subject in general science. Topics include cell structure, the fundamental unit of life, cell organelles like nucleus, mitochondria, etc. Tissues, classification of animal and plant tissues, applications in food technology and forestry. Nutrition and digestion, human digestive system, vitamins, minerals, IRCTC food nutrition standards. Respiration, energy production, respiratory system in humans and in high altitude aircraft. Circulatory system, blood vessels, the heart, blood groups, basic first aid science. Excretion, kidneys, urine formation, artificial kidneys. Nervous system and control, brain, reflex actions, coordination, hormones. Reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction, menstrual health, and plant propagation. Diseases and hygiene, bacteria, viruses, malaria, COVID-19, vaccination. Environment and ecology, pollution, global warming, conservation, biodegradable materials, biodiversity in Bharat. We teach biology in a cinematic, real-life framework, using hospital case studies, Indian wildlife stories, and everyday hygiene lessons. Online tuition class style, educational plus entertainment. This class is structured like a premium long-term online course, with topic-wise deep explanations. Ssc&Rrb previous year question MCQ revision. Memory tricks and visual charts. Indian examples, from tribal health to railway accidents. Aircraft cockpit and railway cab comparison teaching. Spiritual motivation, Vedic science plus modern application. You're not just learning for exams. You are developing scientific citizenship, knowledge of Bharat's strength, and confidence in your future job. Bonus. Study strategy for success. To succeed in Ssc&Rrb with general science. 1. Revise each subject for 10 days each, physics greater than chemistry greater than biology. 2. Watch these video tutorials 3 times. 3. Practice daily MCQs, minimum 20. 4. Draw diagrams and make your own notes. 5. Review with family or friends, teach back what you learn. 6. Stay motivated with Vande Mataram spirit. Conclusion and salute to learners. This was your complete Ssc&Rrb General Science online class in paragraph style documentary mode. This content is 100% free, 100% Indian, and 100% designed for you. Subscribe to this channel and be part of Bharat's scientific youth force. I am SARATH C, Sim Airlines flight pilot, Sim Railway Loco pilot, from Pulippara, Kerala, Bharat. Let us all rise with knowledge, discipline, and national devotion. More subjects like general awareness, current affairs, history, and railway technology will be uploaded soon. Om Namah Shivaya, Jaya SEETHARAMJAYAM, Jaya Bharat, Vande Mataram, Jaya Hind.